Hi guys, let's explore Kruje. This is a small town which is close by the capital Tirana. If you are staying in Tirana, you must visit this beautiful town. It actually has elevation of 2000 feet. It's a nice small town which has its own history. So we took a day tour and we just arrived to the old town. So the old town starts with the bazaar. This bazaar is like 400 years old, which mostly has a souvenirs shop. As you can see, they have a lot of products which is made by wood. They've got some silver jewelry and stuff like that. The wooden products were like 10 euros and so on. We took a walk of this bazaar. Mostly the products were made from wood and they have souvenirs. Their specialty is to make handmade carpets. As you can see, they have a narration saying this bazaar could be from 17th century or something like that, but it's well preserved history. And then we walked through the town towards the castle. So this area has restaurants and the shops.
What is phone? Are you serious?
We entered one of the restaurants, Kroi restaurant, which was very beautifully decorated, mostly the woodwork, the beautiful view of the city. We tried their Albanian cuisine, mostly the vegetables, because we were not sure about the halal food. And walked through the Kruja Castle. And then we went to the top of Kruje mountain and had a beautiful view of the city. At the top you can have a complete view of the Kruje town. You can have a look on the castle and a beautiful sunset. Hope you like a small video. Please like and share your comments. Till then, bye.